Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss how to clean the paraffin wax bath, especially the wax itself. So we have two large paraffin wax bath units here in the electrotherapy lab, and let me show you. Look at the wax condition. It's very dirty, very polluted, and over here as well. So in this video I'm going to show you how one can clean the wax easily at home or at the clinic without any specific or sophisticated maneuvers or any equipment. It is a very simple procedure, so stay tuned and keep on watching. So the first thing is, I would request Sajad to please come and lift. So let me show you the working of this unit. So here you can see this is basically a heater, this or heating rod, and it heats the water inside, and that hot water gets contact with this tray containing the wax, and then it melts this wax. These are the old units, and let me show you the recent units. These are the digital or the modern wax therapy units. So we will be utilizing this to warm up the wax, and I will tell you how we can filter the wax and we can clean this. So let's try to warm this water first. So all the wax over here will be melted from the corners, from the outsides. So we will melt these and we will clean this first, the containers, and after that we are going to warm the wax, and then I'll show you the procedure how we can clean the dirt and the debris that is present, or the stuff that is this black stuff. So how we can clean it and how we can make it just like new. So stay tuned. Here you can see I am taking this container to put the wax right now, and we will be using the same container to filter out the wax as well. So right now you can clearly see this is the underside of the wax. I have just pulled it out, and this is going to go here. We are going to break it also into the small pieces, and then we are going to shift it here, and of course we are going to warm it. So this piece can also be moved. You can see we can move it, and we can also lift it with some help also. So let's see. So we can just break it, and you can clearly see that inside over here the wax at this layer is clean and the bottom is very bad. So one of the easiest way is to scrap this off. A lot of people will do this, that they will scrap this layer. They will scrap with the help of a knife or a scissor, and they will scrap these layers, so this debris is removed automatically. And the second part is filtration. So we are going to filter. So first of all we are going to remove the big chunks with the help of a scale or something like that. Let me show you. For example, we are going to use this ruler, and let's assume that I'm going to scrape it like this. Sajad, please hold. See, so if I'm going to scrape it, you can use a knife if you like. So this is the first thing that we have to do, the first step of the process. So you can see this, that we can scrape this dirt very easily, and this is all the debris. So after this we are going to warm it, and then we are going to filter it. Here you can see I have scraped off the dirt. So these are removed. We will do this from this side as well, from all the sides. So one side is done. We will do this from this side as well, from all the corners and every place. So then it will be very clean, and after that we are going to filter it, and I will show you how the filtration is done. And then lastly I'm going to show you what was before this cleaning and what is after the cleaning. We have scraped all of these pieces, and let me show you. This is one piece and the other one. So now we are going to break them into smaller pieces, and then we are going to warm them into the paraffin wax unit, and then the last process is going to be the filtering. Here you can see we have heated the water, and all the wax that was inside the container is melted, and it's mixed in the water. So you can clearly see the wax on top of it, and similarly you can see over here we have made the short pieces, and these pieces, some of them are put inside this container, and we have turned this unit on, so we will see how long will it take, and it will melt the wax, and then we are going to finally filter it, and then we are going to pour it back into the containers. So now we have thoroughly cleaned this, and you can see that this is a lot better than before. Next we are going to clean this, and I also want to show you how the wax is in the container now. So here you can see the wax, it is being melting, and you can see some discoloration. This is because of the tone of the light, as well as you can see some debris over there. So this is the leftover debris. Once we heat all of this, and then all the debris is going to settle it down, and then maybe we can filter it, or we can scrap it again to make it 100% pure. In the end, I'm going to show you what is the final product. Finally, the project is finished. So let me show you the finished product. Here you can see the wax is clean, and this is just a piece that is still in a semi-solid form. So see, it is clean, and this is the only way we can clean the wax. I hope you like the video. If you have any questions or any comments, do let me know. Thank you very much.